I think we came at Cofactr originally from a sort of frustrated electrical engineer perspective.
Yeah, going back to our first company, we were a contract engineering and research and development company. And so we were working doing hardware and software development for a lot of companies ranging from rock tours all the way through autonomous vehicle companies. And in our process of new product introduction to scaled production, we saw a lot of challenges, especially in electronics. And what was shocking is that our customers as well had very similar issues with lead time, building up to those production volumes, and sort of getting those first prototypes in hand.
After we sold that company, we built a quick turn contract manufacturer for PCBA.
And transparently, our customers came to us and said, the reason why we're hiring you as a contract manufacturer is because you've handled the supply chain and you've handled the inventory and you seem to have better data, which we love. We don't particularly care that you're assembling the boards, which identified maybe we should consider taking those tools and providing them directly to our customers so that they can use that data to make better decisions earlier in the design process, and then provide sort of the services and the structure and the platform to answer those solutions until it gets to the manufacturer.
And it was through that we started to identify, really there's this huge gap between the engineers and the procurement teams and the BOMs they're working with and the production line where all these parts need to ultimately show up. There's a real opportunity to bring software and automation to that area. And so we took a lot of the tools we had started to build for ourselves as a contract manufacturer, and Cofactr evolved out of that.